Today I'm needle felting one of the BT21 characters inspired by Suga and turning it into a pin you can actually wear to the BTS tour. To get started, you will need wool. I've used roving wool in 2 shades of brown, black and white, a base like a brush mat or a bit of polystyrene or a cushion, and then felting needles. First we need to start by making Shooky's cookie shape. Tear away a large segment of your lightest brown roving wool, and we're going to roll this up into a loose ball shape. I slightly pull this out to make it a little bit wider and slightly more rounded. We're then going to take our felting needle and we're going to slowly start stabbing in and out of this shape. This is the felting technique. What is happening here is that the fibres are catching on the barbs of the needle and it's meshing them together. We want to form a rounded, firm cookie shape. We're going to stab the needle all over this piece of roving wool, from the top, the sides, and also the back. This will take a little while to form. Now I'm going to start working on the details of the face. We're going to start with the mouth. Taking a smaller section of the dark brown, we're going to make this semicircle shape. Rolling this roving wool in my fingers, I'm going to make a very loose ball, and then I'm going to place this on top of the cookie shape where the mouth will be. With my felting needle, I'm going to gently start felting it onto the base cookie shape and also start creating that semicircle effect. Push in the roving wool where you want it to be shaped. Now we're going to add in the cute little tooth. Again, I take a very small amount of white roving wool and I'm going to roll this loosely in my hand. I'm then going to place it onto the mouth near the top. Again, with your felting needle, very gently felt this into the base shape. We're going for a small rectangle here. Now to focus on the eyes. We want to take 2 tiny pieces of black roving wool and we're going to roll this around in our hands. This friction starts to mesh the fibres together into a little ball. Once you're roughly happy with the shape, we're going to place it onto the cookie base, and using our felting needle, we're going to attach it. Now for the eyebrows, we're going to take an even smaller amount of black roving wool, and this time we're going to make more of a strand. So I like to twist it in my fingers, and every now and then I'm going to fold it back in on itself. This will make a thin strand rather than a ball. It might still be longer than the eyebrow, and that's okay because as we felt on, it will decrease in size. Place the smaller eyebrow above the eye, and using the felting needle we're going to gently attach. We're going to do the same technique for the other eyebrow, but this one is slightly raised in a mischievous way, so make sure you angle it above the other eye. Next is the arms and legs. We're going to take the dark brown roving wool and we're going to roll these up again into a loose ball shape. We're then going to take the felting needle and slightly felt these loose ball shapes just to make them a bit firmer before we attach them onto the body. To attach them onto the body, we're going to felt the top part of the ball onto the base of the cookie. This meshes the fibres together to attach them. We're going to do exactly the same technique here for the legs. The only difference is we're using a smaller amount of that dark brown roving wool. To finish it up, we need to attach a brooch bar onto the back of it. Lay the brooch bar onto the back of Shooky and take a small amount of that light brown base colour. We're going to place that over the brooch bar, and using the felting needle we're going to push that into the base and into the holes of the brooch. This is going to attach the brooch onto our design. And that is our pin tour ready. You can pop this onto a jacket or a bag, and you can even make the whole collection by following along with my other videos in this series. Like and subscribe to my channel to see more of these cute characters being made.